Hey, Jess O'Connor here. Today we're going to be walking through 16003 Molokai Drive in Tega Cay. It's a gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2.5-bath home close to the clubhouse here in historic Tega Cay. We're going to walk through the video together. I'll point out some features of the home. If you have any questions at all about the house or about local real estate, feel free to give me a call, 704-900-9990, or just leave a question in the comments. So, all right, let me see if I can share my screen here, and we'll get started. All right. It's not where I want to be. Here we go. All right, so 16003 Molokai Drive. Again, this is in what we call historic Tega Cay. If you're familiar with Tega Cay, then you know that historic Tega Cay has houses that were built 70s, mostly 80s, some 90s. This one was built in 1988, and it is on Molokai Drive, just a short distance away from the clubhouse, and short distance from golf, tennis, pickleball, croquet, bocce, and also the Glennon Center, which hosts a lot of community events. So it's a really, really excellent location. This house, as you saw from the previous image, it has a 2-car garage at the front of the home. And what we're looking at here is in the front hall. So this is a view looking towards the front door of the house, and you can see the staircase up on the left. All the bedrooms are upstairs in this house. We're going to check out the living room first. So this is, just to kind of orient you a little bit, this is, you walk in the front door and you turn right and you're in the living room. So as you can see here, there's windows at the front of the home and at the back of the home in the living room. Ceiling fan. There's also a wood burning fireplace there. Nice amount of space in the living room. The home in total has just over 1,800 square feet. Again, 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and the bedrooms are upstairs. Oh, I went too far. I'm going to back it up for just a second there. So you can see there's a set of doors that lead out to a deck on the back of the home. And we'll get to the backyard in just a minute because it's pretty gorgeous. Okay, so now we're going to walk through into the dining room. Formal dining room here. You can see, again, the dining room is also, it is at the back of the home. You can see the windows that face the backyard here. It's great for entertaining this space. And there's double doors that lead into the kitchen. Now let's pause. I guess let's pause here for just a second. So there's lots of cabinet space in this kitchen, and the layout and the flow of this kitchen was really well thought out. You can see the sink there with a window over the sink, so you can look out the window while you're doing your dishes. But it also has a really great layout for cooking with the stove on the center island. Lots of counter space, lots of cabinet space in this kitchen. Good amount of storage space here. Stainless appliances. And again, we have another door to the backyard, and we'll head out there in just a minute. And another view of the kitchen. And now we're upstairs. We're going to walk into the master bedroom first. Here's the master. The windows to your right there are looking out the front of the house. And here's the master bath. There's a large jetted tub in the master bath. And now let's check out the secondary bedrooms upstairs. These are all decent size. And another full bath upstairs. And here we are in the backyard. So this house sits on 0.28 acres, and it's got a really great space out back. It does, the backyard is fenced, and there's this nice back deck which overlooks the fenced yard. Now, when these trees are in bloom, there's an amazing canopy overhead. So you've got these nice mature trees. There's a lot of privacy back here, and it's just, and it's a good size. It's perfect for entertaining, perfect for pets. The list goes on. Ball games out there. Again, so this home is in Tega Cay. There's no HOA in this section of Tega Cay. It is very close to the clubhouse. It's an easy walk or a golf cart or hop in the car, whatever, to get to the clubhouse. So again, that's your golf, that's your tennis, your croquet, bocce. There's a great restaurant there. Also, the Glennon Center is there, which hosts a lot of community events and city council meetings and things like that. A little bit further down the road, there's another set of tennis courts. There's pickleball courts. There's also public access to the lake not too far away. Tega Cay has all sorts of walking trails very close to this house. There's also several public parks, including a new inclusive playground at the front of town. So there is lots to do in Tega Cay, and this house is centrally located to all of it. So I'm going to, that's the end of the video tour. I'm going to go ahead and pull up the still photos, and we'll kind of go through those one by one if I can get there. Let's see here. Photos. Okay. So here's a view from the street of the front of the home. As you can see there is a 2-car garage. There is a utility sink in the garage. Our video doesn't cover the garage space, but there is a utility sink in there. And nice covered front porch. So on those rainy days, you can sit out there and drink your coffee and be protected from the rain. There's our living room again. Again, this is downstairs on the to the right as you walk in the front door. And this kitchen, hardwood floors and that nice center island. They've got 4 bar stools pulled up around the island there, which fit comfortably. And as you can see here, we've got some wine storage built into this cabinetry, and just lots and lots of storage in general in this kitchen. Now, I don't think we have a shot of the laundry room here, but you can kind of see it. So if you walk down this hallway, at the end of the hallway is the garage, the 2-car garage. To the left, there is a half bath, and to the right in this hallway is the laundry room. Here we are in the dining room. Again, at the back of the house, the dining room connects the living room and the kitchen. And here's a shot of the half bath on the main floor. And we're upstairs now in the master bedroom. We've got some great architecture here in the slope of the ceiling. And the master bath is obviously right off the master bedroom. Here's a nice shot of the master bath. We've got a jetted tub behind that shower curtain. Here's a shot of a secondary bedroom upstairs and the other full bath. In the 3rd bedroom. So again, that's 3 bedrooms, all upstairs, 2.5 bathrooms in total. Here's a shot of the back of the house looking from the backyard. You can see the deck on the back of the house spans the entire length of the house. And again, when these trees are in bloom like they are right now, this is just gorgeous. It's shaded, it offers a lot of privacy, and it's just a really nice place to sit. Another view of the backyard. And I think we're back to the beginning. So that's it. Again, that's 16003 Molokai Drive in Tega Cay. Feel free to ask me any questions either in the comments or reach out to me directly, 704-900-9990. Again, Jess O'Connor, Miller Realty Group. Thanks for watching today and hope to hear from you soon. Bye.